Improving output of your current brewhouse, wort collection, combo vessel. Efficient utilization of equipment is a concern in any brewery, whether large or small. Saving time means saving money, whether a brewery has 2 or 5 vessels in their brewhouse. Today we're talking about wort collection. To ensure the sparge system has the ability to match the wort collection flow rates, and that the sparge distribution is even on the grain bed, review the following. Run high gravity first. Consider running the higher gravity and viscous first worts off at a slower rate to reduce the rise of differential pressure across the grain bed. As the gravity and viscosity decline, it should be possible to increase wort flow rate, resulting in a net time saving. Runoff ports. Below the screen, enough runoff ports should be present, so the wort has a direct path to the collection rings. False bottom. The screen's design is very important. Subject to bed loading within an existing lauter ton. Upgrading to a milled screen could provide quality, efficiency, and cycle time benefits. Differential pressure. This should be controlled via pressure transmitters above and below the screen. This gives the brewer and automation good reference as to the runoff capabilities of the entire setup for a given recipe.